Hi everyone, I'm Eliza Marie Reyes of ECE2A, and today's topic is all about D2.1 and problem 2.1. D2.1, a charge of Q sub A is equal to negative 20 microcoulombs is located at 47, and a charge Q sub B is equal to 15 microcoulombs is at B58, negative 2 and 3. If distances are given in meters, find the vector AB and the magnitude of AB. Determine the vector force exerted on Q sub A by Q sub B if EO is equal to, sa letter C, 10 to the negative 9 over 36 by farad per meter, and letter D, 8.85 farad per liter. So, sa letter A, formula para makuha yung vector ng AB is vector ng B minus sa vector ng A. So, yung value kanina ng A is negative 6, 4, 7, and yung B is 5, 8, and negative 2. So, substituting the values, 5a sub x plus 8a sub y minus 2a sub c minus negative 6a sub x plus 4a sub y plus 7a sub c. Answer sa letter A is 11a sub x plus 4a sub y minus 9a sub c meters. Sa letter B naman, yung magnitude naman ng vector AB. So, may vector AB na tayo. So, yung value ng x, y, and z is 11, 4, and negative 9. So, para makuha yung magnitude, square root of 11 squared plus 4 squared plus negative 9 squared. So, yung answer sa letter B is 14.7648 meters. Sa letter C naman, gagamit tayo ng formula na Q sub A times Q sub B times vector ng AB over 4 pi times sa E sub O, tapos sa magnitude na nakakube. So, sa letter C na E sub O is 10 to the negative 9 over 36 pi. So, i-substitute na rin naman natin gamit tong formula. So, negative 20 times 10 to the negative 6 times 50 times 10 to the negative 6 times 11a sub x plus 4a sub y minus 9a sub c over 4 pi times 10 to the negative 9 over 36 pi times 14.7648 cube. And the answer is negative 30.7576 a sub x minus 11.1846 a sub y plus 25.1653 a sub c millinewtons. And sa letter D, same formula, but the difference is yung E sub O na value natin is 8.854 times 10 to the negative 12. So, gagamitin natin formula. So, i-substitute lang ang mga values. Negative 10 to the negative 6 times 50 times 10 to the negative 6 times 11 times a sub x plus 4a sub y minus 9a sub c over 4 pi times 8.854 times 10 to the negative 12 times 14.7648 cube. Answer sa letter D is negative 30.7157 a sub x minus 11.1694 a sub y plus 25.1310 a sub c millinewtons. And next, problem 2.1. For 10 NC positive charges are located in the C equals 0 plane. At the corners of square 8 cm on a side, a 10 NC positive charge is located at a point 8 cm distant from each of the other charges. Calculate the magnitude of the total force on this fifth charge for E is equal to E0. Formula na gagamitin is F equals 4 square root of 2 times Q squared over 4 pi E sub O D squared. So, substitute lang, 4 over square root of 2 times 10 to the negative 8 squared over 4 pi times 8.85 times 10 to the negative 12, which is constant, times dun sa 8 cm na diameter. So, magiging times 0.08 squared. So, ang sagot is 4.0 times 10 to the negative 4 pag newtons, and pag millinewtons is 0.4 millinewtons. So, I hope may natutunan kayo sa vlog na ito.